In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google AI Studio API errors step by step in 2026. If you're getting authentication errors, failed requests, rate limit messages, or other API issues, don't worry. We'll go through the most common fixes. First, check that you're using the correct API key. Open Google AI Studio, go to the *API keys ** section, and verify that the key in your application matches the one in your account. If you think the key has expired or been compromised, generate a new one and update your project. Next, review your code carefully. Make sure you've selected a supported Gemini model, your API request is formatted correctly, and all required parameters are included. Even a small typo can cause an API request to fail. If you're receiving an authentication or permission error, confirm that your Google account has access to the API and that your application is using the correct credentials. Also, ensure your API key is being loaded from an environment variable or secure configuration file. Another common issue is exceeding usage limits. If you see a rate limit or quota error, wait a few minutes before trying again, reduce the number of requests your application sends, or review your available quota if applicable. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of the Google Gen AI SDK. Older SDK versions may not support newer API features or models. Updating your SDK can resolve compatibility problems. If the error still persists, check your internet connection, restart your application, and carefully read the complete error message. Most API responses include useful details that help identify the exact problem. By checking your API key, request format, SDK version, permissions, and usage limits, you can solve most Google AI Studio API errors quickly. And that's how to fix Google AI Studio API errors in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.